All right, our class location for the semester is online on Canvas. So this section here about the course website. The course website is on Canvas. It's where I'll be posting lectures, lab materials, assignments, and optional material. Some of these assignments will require Java, Flash Player, PowerPoint, and Adobe Reader, as well as other site plugins. Information on system requirements for the course, as well as links to some plugins, are located here, and I have a link to the Online Classes SC4 webpage where you can get some of those plugins. If you have any difficulty accessing web pages or activities throughout the semester, please contact the IT Help Desk at that number, 844-802-9399. We will be turning in assignments through Canvas as well. There are computers in the library if you do not have a computer or internet access at home, or do not have the ability to download plugins at home. We will be using Canvas and email frequently in this class. It is important that you check our Canvas course and your SC4 email, also within Canvas, regularly in order to do well. If you have difficulty activating or accessing Canvas on your email account, please contact the IT Help Desk at that same number. I also put in parentheses here your student email, so your username, whatever that is, at student.sc4.edu is going to be what you need to use to sign into Canvas. And then your password is the same as your portal password, although if you're listening to this and things like that, you should probably already know that. But that's there just in case you forget or don't remember, so which is the same thing. So I'm reading through this so that everybody can hear these actual words, but the reason that we're going to talk a little bit more about it is because I want you to understand that everything is through Canvas, and so that includes any lectures that are going to be posted. They'll be in Canvas, although I oftentimes have them uploaded to YouTube so that you can use YouTube as a tool. It doesn't have to be through Canvas all of the time, but I will be posting any lab materials, any assignments on there. But those lab materials and assignments and other optional materials and homework and things like that do require things like Java. They do require things like Flash Player. So you need to make sure that you can download those things. So oftentimes what'll happen is when you click on a link that uses one of those things, it'll either close it up or tell you, you have a pop-up blocker, it'll stop the pop-up, or it'll just be a blank screen and you have to click it in order to allow your computer to use Flash Player. Things like that. So just make sure that you are able to do that. And if you do have any problems setting those things up or getting Flash Player to work or Java or a PowerPoint or something like that, please do call the IT Help Desk because we do have access to Microsoft Office 365. As students, you have access to things like PowerPoint, you have access to the Adobe Reader, you have access to Word, you have access to Excel, things like that. So, and then they can also walk you through perhaps finding out what's going on if something doesn't open up. So where you can kind of click through your computer to make sure that you can allow your computer to use those plugins and such like that. So if you are struggling with any of those things, please do contact the IT Help Desk. They should be able to walk you through things.